Did you know the seeds you save this September could give you a garden full of healthy heirloom vegetables next year? Most gardeners don't realize it, but September isn't just harvest season, it's seed-saving season. And here's the twist. One small mistake now could ruin your entire seed stash for next year. So, what's the secret to saving heirloom vegetable seeds the right way? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to protect your garden's legacy, reduce costs, and keep rare varieties alive for years to come. Here's the truth. September is the one window of time when your heirloom vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, beans, and squash are at their full maturity. That means the seeds inside are ready to carry forward your garden's DNA. But here's the suspense. Most beginners either save the wrong seeds or store them incorrectly, which means those seeds won't grow at all next season. So the real question is, how do you choose the right plants and save their seeds without making beginner mistakes? Don't worry, I'll break it down step by step. But before we dive in, remember this. When you save seeds, you're not just saving money, you're preserving history. First key point, choosing the right plants. Now, let's start with the foundation. Which plants should you save seeds from? Here's the golden rule: always pick the healthiest, most productive, and disease-free plants. Why? Because seeds carry the traits of their parents. If the parent plant struggles, your future plants will too. But here's where many beginners go wrong. They grab seeds from hybrid plants. Hybrids don't grow true to type, meaning your harvest next year could be weak or completely different. That's why you must focus only on heirloom vegetables. But wait, there's one more step that most beginners skip, and it could ruin everything. I'll tell you what that is in just a moment. Second key point, saving seeds step by step. Here comes the fun part, actually saving the seeds. For tomatoes, scoop out the seeds, let them ferment for a couple of days, rinse them, and then dry them. For beans and peas, the trick is patience. Let the pods dry completely on the plant before you collect them. And for peppers and squash, just scoop, rinse, and dry. Simple, right? Even if you follow these steps perfectly, your seeds can still fail if you miss one tiny detail. I'll reveal that detail soon, and it's the difference between a seed that grows strong and one that dies before sprouting. Third key point, the drying secret. So what's the detail I teased? It's drying. If your seeds aren't completely dry, they'll mold, rot, or lose viability in storage. That's the mistake almost every beginner makes. Here's the right way. Spread seeds on a plate or paper towel in a cool, shaded area. Never put them in direct sun. It can kill them. Never rush the process. It can take several days, but it's worth it. There's one more step that separates a seed saver from a true heirloom gardener. It's not just about drying, it's about how you store them. Miss this step, and all your hard work is wasted. Now, once your seeds are fully dry, store them in paper envelopes or glass jars. Always label them with the variety and the year. Then, keep them in a dark, dry place. Done right, your seeds can last for years, waiting to bring life to your garden again. Remember, September seed saving isn't just about collecting seeds, it's about preserving your garden story. So, here's the takeaway: when you save heirloom vegetable seeds this September, you're not just growing vegetables, you're growing history, tradition, and self-reliance. If you want more seed-saving tips, make sure to subscribe and join me in this journey.